All right, David.
Okay.
What are we short of? Do we have to order?
Well, I tell you, I know we need some sodas, all kinds
Sodas?
of sodas, and some sugar, about 6 pounds of sugar.
6 where? I will count them. One ring.
You finish doing it, will
okay.
you? And I'll...
Two telephone rings.
Hello, Mr. Hooper.
I have a collect call for Mr. Booper from a Mr. Big Bird in New Mexico. Will you accept the charges?
For New Mexico? That's Hooper. That's me. Yes, I'll accept the charges.
That will be 80 cents. Go ahead, please.
Hello.
Hello, hello.
Hi, Big Bird.
May I talk to Mr. Looper, please?
Hooper.
Hooper.
Yes.
Can I talk to Mr. Hooper, please?
Big Bird, this is Mr. Hooper.
Oh,
How are you?
Mr. Hooper, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you? And how is everybody down there? They all okay?
Oh, everybody is having a great time. We love New Mexico. It's
Very good.
beautiful.
Very
Hey, I
good.
made a lot of new friends.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, I called so you could say hello to them.
All right. The Count and David will
We'd
say
love
hello
to.
to
Yes,
them.
hello,
Dave.
hello.
You hear?
Okay, here's my first New Mexico
ahead.
friend. Here he is.
Big Bird, that's a chicken.
One chicken.
Yes, that was Rosita. Hey, wait a minute. I have another friend who wants to talk to
All
you.
right, all right.
Okay.
Deposit another 45 cents.
That's a cow, Big Bird.
One. That's one cow.
45, yeah, 45.
Oh, that's 1 coin, 2 coins.
Hello?
Wait a minute.
Oh, good, yes. There they are. One more.
Hello?
45.
Hey,
Here we are.
Did you hear my cow friend? That was Carlita.
Yeah, Big Bird.
Aren't my new
Big
friends
Bird.
nice?
Will
Hey,
you
here's
listen to
someone
me a
else,
moment?
Mr. Hooper.
Yeah, but we can't talk to a cow.
What is that? What is that? The
The
dog.
It's a dog.
One.
Cow.
Another 45 cents.
What
What
is
is
that?
that? What is that? What is that?
That's a lamb, a sheep.
Look, now, Big Bird, this is very expensive.
One
We
sheep.
can't talk
No,
to
come on,
animals.
put the
all
money.
right,
Come
all
on,
right,
I must
all
count
right,
it.
fellas.
Yes.
Five.
There, 25 cents.
Will you stop?
That's 1 dime is 35 cents. One more dime, quick.
Hello?
45
trying to
cents.
talk.
Hello, Big Bird.
Hey, look,
Big Bird,
Mr.
you hear
Hooper,
me?
It's hard to talk to you when you're putting all that money in there.
You're telling me, but we can't talk to
Hey,
animals,
look,
Big Bird.
I have some
Animals.
more friends.
You have?
Yes.
Look, Big Bird, have you any friends that are people?
Oh, sure. I have lots of friends. Here's
All
one.
right.
Here's my little girlfriend here.
Hola, señor Hooper, ¿cómo está usted? Yo te quiero verte mucho. Me dicen que tú eres un hombre tan bueno y Big Bird y yo jugamos. ¿Por qué tú no puedes
One.
venir acá y jugar?
One little girl.
Vente, vamos a ver la
Yes.
montaña, sigo por el pelote y ir